we have a call-in question from Bonnie here. Hey, Bonnie, what is your question tonight?
Hey, Bonnie.
My daughter was recently on an elevator. It fell and went back up 3 times. After the doors were opened, we found out that previously, maybe 10 minutes before, there had been 2 persons trapped on the elevator. And they called an emergency and had maintenance crew come there. In between the time they got these people out, and my daughter got on. The elevator maintenance company was doing a fault test. It went up and down 3 times. Now the property owner, the maintenance company, and the elevator company says they are not liable for her injuries or any of her medical costs. She had injuries to her knees. She's been to several doctors, and we have been nowhere because everyone tells us, well, she got on the elevator, and that was too bad. The maintenance person did not close the elevator. They told me that he would have had to go to every floor to close it, so he didn't choose to do that. But he was manipulating the elevator, making it go up and down, and didn't realize that she and another person were in there.
Oh my God, that's terrifying.
Yeah, and I know. And I've had 5 elevator cases, 3 escalator, but 5 elevator cases. One that actually happened at the courthouse years ago. But the situation is, look, don't pay attention to what the owner or the insurance company, they're doing the same thing as I talk about all the time. They're just trying to get rid of you, and hopefully they tell you something to make you go away. It does not sound like you've talked to a lawyer yet, which I don't understand why, because it sounds like her injuries are pretty severe. The liability aspect, as to liability means, was the other side at fault? In this case, well, heck yes. I mean, I can't think of any scenario. Apparently they're saying, well, she got on during the time the other 2 people got off, and then they did a safety test. Unless she was like physically restrained and told not to get on that elevator, which we know is not true, then there's no excuse that I can come up with, or that they should be able to come up with, why they're not at fault. They were responsible for this. Before they started running these safety tests, they should have made sure on every floor that everybody was clear. And so I think your daughter has a heck of a case, including the other person that was in the elevator. They have a heck of a case. Don't take no for an answer, but stop dealing with them, because they've already told you basically to go fly a kite, so you need to talk to a lawyer ASAP.
Yeah, I mean, I know what you talked about, contributory negligence, but that's getting on an elevator. No. I mean, that's not contributing to the accident.
No,
that's not
right. Unless she knew that there was a problem with that elevator and she shouldn't get on, and she did it anyway, which is stupid. Nobody's going to get on an elevator knowing that there's a problem with it. So there's no contributory negligence in this. The only fault lies with the elevator company and the owner of the building, the maintenance crew, and all of that. So you're good, but stop dealing with these people on your own.
All right. Well, to ask a legal question of your own, you can call Bill right now, 251-463-0708. You can also visit lawcall.com/mobile to email us or watch clips of the show. We'll be right back after this break. Stay with us.